Hi everyone, I've been using this replacement battery for Black & Decker, the 18-volt batteries for about a year now, and I wanted to share with you my experiences and just tell you what I wish I knew before ordering them. These charge easily and they will revive any device that you need a battery for. I had an old Weedwhacker that I needed a battery for, so I went with these instead of the original OEM. So as I was saying, they will fit the bill as far as like working and revive your device. However, I had my expectations a little high in terms of performances, and they last about 15 minutes. I was hoping for a little more. Again, it might have been my mistakes to have my expectations high, but I thought it was important to point that out. As long as you keep that in mind, I highly recommend them because again, they will revive your device and they have a decent charge. Just do not expect the same performances as the name brand. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped.